This is Bernie Carr from Apartment Prepper. Today we're trying out a complete water testing kit from watertestingkit.com. I read a lot about city water systems having a lot of pollutants, so now I'm curious about how our water actually fares. This kit checks for bacteria, lead, pesticides, iron, copper, nitrites, nitrate, chlorine, alkalinity, pH, and hardness. I'm most concerned about bacteria and lead, so that's the test we're going to do today. And for that test, all we have to do is use the bacteria testing kit. This is it. And we fill it with tap water. I already took out the packaging. And fill it up to this 5 milliliter line. In very low setting. I don't want to fill it up way too much, so I'm doing it slowly. Getting there, getting there. That's about enough. And then we're supposed to shake it up forcefully for about 20 seconds. That's about 20 seconds, and we're going to place a vial upright in a warm area, at least 70 degrees. I know for sure it's at least 70 degrees around here, and leave it undisturbed for 48 hours. So we're just going to leave it alone for 48 hours, and then we'll check in 48 hours, and the test results will show us that if it has a purple color, it's a negative, but if it's yellow, then it's positive. So we'll be back in 48 hours. It's 48 hours later, and we're checking the result for the bacteria test. If it's purple, then it's negative. If it's yellow, it's positive. Our result is negative, so that means no bacteria in our tap water. Yay! Now we're going to check for lead and pesticides. I already opened the package, and all we have to do is drop 2 dropperfuls of tap water into the vial, which we'll get some water right now. So that's 1 dropperful, and 2 dropperfuls, and we're going to put our test strips in there. 1 test strip is for lead, and the other test strip is for pesticides. So we're going to drop it in there right now. Here we have the result of our test. For the pesticide test, it looks like the result is negative because the line on the left, which is next to the number 1, is darker than the line on the right. On the other hand, the test for lead looks like it had no result because there are no lines. And according to the instructions, if the lines are very faint, then the results are invalid. So at least we know we have no pesticides in our water. As for the rest of it, well, I'm not going to do the test for alkalinity or iron or copper or any of that due to in the interest of time, but I will go ahead and write this up in the blog, apartmentprepper.com. It's still a good idea to test your water. I probably wouldn't choose this kit because the results are a little hard to read on the pesticide side, but the test was really easy to check for bacteria, which I liked. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, or add any comments in the bottom. Thank you.